Hello children, once again I welcome you all for today's session. Today we are going to start a new chapter from EVS, that is food we eat. Food we eat. Many types of food we are eating like meals, breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. Yummy foods we are taking, right? Let us discuss about these foods in different groups. Now in our chapter we have 5 contents. One is food we eat, food groups, vitamin, fibers and water, healthy and junk food, food habits, vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Before we start these topics, let us have little bit warm up with the pictures. Now look at the pictures carefully and write the name of the meal being eaten below each picture. Now you can see children, in this picture a boy is having what? Now see the time. You can guess by what time he is having. By 8 o'clock. Now see this one. Is it sun or moon? If moon comes, then this is what? Dinner time. Yes, no children? So you have to write over here dinner. In the next picture you can see a boy is having what? Cornflakes with milk. That means it's a time, you see children? It's 8 o'clock. Is it night or morning? Sun came means it's morning. That means this is breakfast. Now in the next picture you can see a boy is having food. By what time? It's 2 o'clock. What is there? Sun came or moon came? Here it is sun is there. That means it is lunch. Okay children. Now let us discuss about food we eat. You have learnt in class 1 that a particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal. Yes, no children? When you are taking dinner at night, that means we say as dinner. When we are having food in the morning, then we are saying breakfast. When we are having food in the afternoon time, then what we are saying? Lunch. Right? We eat 3 meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now come to the next line. The food we eat gives us energy to work, play, study, think and do many other activities throughout the day. Healthy food helps our body. Turn the page children. To grow and remain food. Healthy foods helps our body to grow and remain fit. We eat different foods such as fruits, vegetables, rice, wheat, dals, curd, cheese, butter, bread, eggs, meat, paneer and fish. We are eating, no children, these foods we are taking, no, everyday vegetables, fruits, rice, wheat means we are making rotis, no, and dal. Without dal we are not eating rice, no, curd also sometimes, cheese also sometimes, butter, bread, eggs, meat, paneer and fish. We drink milk, juices, tea and coffee. Small children are drinking milk, no? You are also taking juices, but mama is not giving you tea and coffee. Right children? We get different foods from plants and animals. Yes, no children? From plants and animals we are getting food, no? From plants like spinach. Yes, no? What we say in Odia as saga. Right? Yes. They are known as sources of foods. Now see, here are some pictures about food from plants. Mango. Yummy, no? By listening mango only, watering, my mouth is watering. Corn, green gram, green lentil, wheat, pea. Yes, no children? Wheat. We are making rotis, chapatis, right? And peas. What we say this as? Matar. In Hindi, what we say? Matar. Right? Now see. Food from animals. Cheese, butter, eggs, fish, meat. Meat includes chicken and mutton also. Okay children, these things we are taking no in our daily life. Yes, no children? Yes. Now come to food groups. Our body needs different kinds of food in the correct quantity. Yes, no children? Let us learn about the three main food groups here. One is energy giving foods, body building foods, and the other is protective foods. Now first we'll go with energy giving foods. Okay. These food items gives us energy. Let us discuss. Okay. These are the foods that provide a lot of energy to the body, like wheat, rice, maize, sugar and potatoes are examples of energy giving foods. Okay children. Every day mama is feeding us one roti, little bit of rice, maize sometimes. Okay. But sugar every time, no? You are adding sugar to the milk and you are having, no? And potatoes. In each and every curry we are adding potatoes. Yes or no? So these food items gives us energy. So it is known as energy giving foods. Okay. Now come to body building foods. That means we will become little bit fat. Okay. So how? See, these are the foods that help the body grow and make it strong. Okay, body building foods. It helps the body to grow and make it strong. They also help the body to repair any damaged part like milk, cheese, paneer, butter, eggs, meat and fish are examples of body building foods. See here, milk. Every day we are taking one glass of milk at night or in the morning or in the evening also. And paneer. Mama is preparing paneer ki sabji, right? Paneer pakoda, paneer curry. Yes, no children? And fish also. Yes, no? So these are body building foods. Such food items also help build healthy teeth, bones and muscles. Clear children? These food items help us to build healthy teeth, bones and muscles. Okay children? Now come to protective foods. Fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. But when we are sick at the time, parents are giving us boiled vegetables, fruits, right? Like nuts. Okay. We are taking kaju, badam, pista, groundnuts. Yes or no? They guard the body against diseases. They protect us from diseases. We call such food items protective foods. See here, so many nuts are there. Right now children, you can see akhroot is there, badam is there, kaju is there, pista is there, groundnuts also there. Yes, no? You can see, no? Many nuts are there over here. And next you see vegetables. All types of vegetables are there in this picture, right? You are taking now children every day. And here you can see so many fruits are there, right children? Banana, mango, orange, pineapple. And what are there? Pomegranate is there, lychee is there, capsicum is there. Yes, no? So many are there, right children? Tomato, capsicum, tomato, everything is there, right children? Now come to the next part, that is vitamins, fibers and water. Vitamins are important nutrients that our body needs to get energy and maintain good health and growth. Nowadays, due to corona also, we are taking now children vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D. Yes, no children? Hot milk. Yes, no? Then, next you see children. They help the body to work properly. We get vitamins from fruits, vegetables, eggs and milk. See now children? Yes, no, I explained just now, no, about the milk. See here. So every day you have to take glass of milk. Okay. Now, next, come to fiber. Fiber is a very important part of our diet as it helps the body in throwing out waste. Throwing out waste. Fiber means what we are taking as wheat, as rotis and chapatis. We are taking, no, from that fiber helps us to throw out our waste. Okay, children. Fiber in food helps in the proper digestion of food. It helps to digest our food properly. Most vegetables, grains and dals provide fiber. Yes, children, it's true. Vegetables, grains and dals also provide fiber. See here, that's why doctor says to take fruits a lot, vegetables a lot and green lentil. Okay, children, and drink plenty of water so that it helps us to digest our food properly. Okay, children. Now next, water is an essential part of a healthy diet. We must drink plenty of water every day. After each and every meal we are taking water. We are giving gap of half an hour and we are taking, and even we are feeling thirsty also we are taking. Yes or no? That's why water is an essential part of a healthy diet. Make sure that water you drink is clean. Okay, children? Water you drink is to be clean. Okay, not the dirty water, not the uncovered water. Okay. Healthy and junk food. Here you people are doing a lot of mistake, right? You are not choosing healthy food, but nowadays you want to take junk food like pizza, burger, french fries, pakoras. Yes, no? All yummy foods only. You doesn't want to take healthy diet only. Let us discuss about this. Food we eat should be fresh, clean and well cooked. There are foods that are tasty but not good for health like pizzas, chips, instant noodles, burgers and soft drinks are some such foods. Understood, children? You are taking every day. After each burger, you want to take little bit of thumbs up. After fried rice also, you want to take thumbs up. After biryani also, you want to take thumbs up. So this makes a lot of panic, no, in your health. Since such foods are not good for the body, they are known as junk food. Okay, children? But nowadays in parties also we are preparing junk food, right? Right now, children? We should avoid all kinds of junk food as these make us fat and unhealthy too. Understood, children? These foods make us fat, okay, and unhealthy. Now, turn the page. So here you have to write, see what is given. Name the following. A junk food that I love to eat but should not eat too often. What you want to eat? A junk food, that means you love a lot to eat junk food. Write the name of here of the junk food, and here in the second option, a healthy food that I love to eat. Write about one healthy food item. Now come to food habits. Different people eat different foods. Yes, it's true. Different people eat different foods. Some people do not eat meat, fish and eggs because they are vegetarians. And non-vegetarians eat meat, fish and eggs. Yes, no, children? We all are taking, no? Both, even plants and animals, both, right? Non-vegetarians eat meat, fish and eggs. We should respect each other's food habits and not make fun of others. Yes, no, children? We should not make fun of others about their food habits because they are different from ours, right? We should respect each other's food habits and not make fun of others' food habits are different from ours. Whatever you like, you take. Whatever your friend like, he will take. So need not to make a fun of one another. Okay. People belonging to the same family may also have different food habits and tastes. You want to take fried rice or pizzas or burgers, but your parents wants to take healthy food like roti, chapati, rice, dal, curry. No, simple food. And babies and old people eat soft food because it will be easy to chew and swallow for them. Right, children? See here. Babies and old people eat soft food that is easy to chew and swallow. Growing children need to have more of bodybuilding foods. You people have to eat bodybuilding foods like milk, paneer, fish, cheese, butter, eggs, meat and fish. Okay. You have to take more of bodybuilding foods to be okay. Here you see once again, growing children need to have more of bodybuilding foods. Understood, children? About the food groups, food habits, energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods, protective foods, about the vitamins, fibers, and how to take the water, right? Healthy and junk food. Yes, no, children? To whom we call as vegetarians and to whom we call as non-vegetarian. So, these are the different contents related to our chapter, that is food we eat. That's all for today, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.